A well-documented graph of global temperature over the past 65 million years shows that we have been in a major cooling period since the Eocene thermal maximum 50 million years ago. The Earth was as much as 16 degrees warmer then, with most of the increased warmth at higher latitudes. The entire planet, including the Arctic and Antarctica, was ice-free, and the land there was covered in forests. 5 million years ago, there were still giant camels roaming in forests on the Canadian Arctic islands. Carbon dioxide is the currency of life, and the most important building block for all life on Earth. All life is carbon-based, including our own. Surely the carbon cycle and its central role as the foundation of life should be taught to our children, rather than the demonization of CO2 that carbon is a pollutant. It is a proven fact that plants, including trees and all our food crops, are capable of growing much faster at higher levels of CO2 than present in the atmosphere today. Even at today's concentration of 400 parts per million, 0.04%, 0.04%, are relatively starved for nutrition. The optimum level of CO2 for plant growth is about 5 times higher, 2,000 parts per million. Yet the alarmists warn it is already too high. They must be challenged every day by every person who knows the truth in this matter. CO2 is the giver of life, and we should celebrate CO2 rather than denigrate it, as is the fashion today. We are witnessing the greening of the Earth, as higher levels of CO2, due to human emissions from the use of fossil fuels, promotes increased growth of plants around the world. This has been confirmed by scientists with CSIRO in Australia, in Germany in research forests, and in North America in wild forests.